Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sir Jeff, your accidental seaman at Seafarers Dokyu. For our today's episode is we are privileged enough to have with us for an interview a crew of this ship. He is working as he is a part actually of our team QCQA, Quality Control Quality Assurance team, and he is working as a welding inspector. He is a registered Sea-Swift level 2 welding inspector, and he's living from Indonesia. Friends, I'd like to introduce to you and welcome to the show, Mr. Jerry Sitongkil. Sir, welcome to the show. Thank you for accepting my invitation for this interview.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's an honor to have you with my show. Can you tell me about yourself and how long you've been working with Seafarers?
Okay, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jerry Sitongkil. I came from Indonesia. I work for Seafarers around. I started working for Seafarers in 2009 as a welder, and then I became welding inspector in 2013.
So now you're saying that you started as a welding technician or a welder?
Welders. I started my career as a welder.
Then you
you're right.
passed the exam.
Yeah.
Is it a hard or difficult test?
Depending on you. If you study hard, I think it's not so hard because everything starting with learning and study, you know.
So is it more easier if you learn first the doing the welding, and before you take the exams? Much better. You will have a full understanding of how the welding works.
Yes, of course.
It will help you a lot.
Yeah.
So because you will have the understanding already of how the welding process works.
Yep.
Okay, Sir Jerry. You're living from Indonesia. Whereabouts in Indonesia?
My origin place is in Sumatra.
Okay. But now you're living where?
I'm living in Jakarta since 2000. 2000, yeah. 2000.
Okay. You know, for the information of everyone, I had the privilege to visit actually Indonesia.
Yeah.
I worked there for almost 5 months.
Yep.
In Kupang. Yeah.
Nusa Tenggara Timur.
That's correct. Yeah. And I was really amazed the place that you have there.
Thank you.
I like how the people was very welcoming towards me.
Yeah.
And that was the time that I really trained myself studying the language Bahasa, because only a few people can speak English there, and I have to train myself, especially communicating with our drivers and some staff there. But I have really a good time. I can maybe someday I will make a episode about Indonesia.
Yeah, it's good.
Because I saved some pictures that I have there in Indonesia. Sir, so can you tell me, or can you describe to me what is the job of a QC inspector or welding inspector? Just a brief.
Yeah. The main job of QC is to make sure things we have done is according to procedure, and everything is good quality. Yeah.
So we are the one to check the finished product that we are making here.
Yeah, you're right.
As you know, guys, we are working in a pipe-laying vessel. The job that we are having here is mostly welding production of the pipelines. So you're the one who inspected, did really pass the quality.
Yeah, you're right. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Do you have a family? Are you married already?
Yeah. I'm married. I'm married with two sons.
Okay. So only two sons.
Yeah.
Right. How about number two? Possible?
No,
Hey,
no.
you can greet your
Yeah.
family in your language.
Hi, my son and my
How old
my
are you?
wife. My kids is 11 and 6.
11, 6, right? So you're still young. Okay, so as you said that you with Seaman for quite some time, and I'm sure that you have experience working with the Filipinos, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you tell me about your experiences, or what can you say about your relationship with Filipinos?
Actually, the first time I met Filipino when I was in Batam, the training of the welding process SWS. At the time when I met them, it's very good to me. It's a nice experience, good experience for me.
You saying that you've been in Philippines before?
No, in Batam. Sorry.
Oh, okay, Batam. Yeah, in
yeah.
Batam, Indonesia.
Yeah.
So I heard that there's a lot of
Yeah.
Filipinos working there also.
Yeah. So I think it's very good for me to meet Filipino, because I know their language. I know they are good in work, in teamwork, and
Is Filipino friendly enough for you?
yes, of course.
Okay, so
Yeah, I enjoy to friend with Filipino. You know. Yeah.
And how about the Filipino, the way we work? Is it okay for you? What your comments can you say?
The way we work, they work with me.
Filipinos,
Yes.
as you know, that Filipinos are all over, scattered all over the world, yeah?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. That's why I said they are good in teamwork. You know, when I want something or in a work process, I can
I
ask
think
for
there's not really a difference between us because we are almost the same ethnicity.
yeah.
Only the language and the passport, maybe that's the difference with us.
Especially for me, we have
A little bit of
similar language, you know.
customs
Yeah,
and,
customs. Some of my ethnics said that we are similar ethnic. Yeah. Yeah.
So, sir, I prepared some of the questions here. Actually, it's not a
It's
question,
okay.
just for fun. This is called a fast
It's
talk.
okay.
It's a question that it's simple questions that you can answer what comes first to your mind.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So basically, this is about offshore industry. Okay, first question. Favorite work shift, day shift or night shift?
I like to prepare day shift
Day shift,
Yeah.
like because why?
because I really cannot sleep.
You have trouble
Trouble sleep
Yeah,
when
that's
I
the
work
problem
in
when
night
you're
shift.
working at the night shift because your body clock suddenly changes and you have to adapt the working shift that where you were in.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
So same with me. Also prepared to work in day shift because you can sleep during the night. It's still there's still a difference between when we sleep during night, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you cope up with when sleeping at daytime? Just right away sleep because of tiredness, or
Yeah, I straight away. Yeah.
or read?
No, I straight away when I finish my dinner, I go straight to.
You know, I tell you, the first time that I got on board in a ship way back in 2012,
Yeah.
I have trouble really finding my sleep pattern at night because I remember the first time I was assigned at the night shift.
Yeah.
So what I did, in fact, it was a friend of mine. He's an English guy. His name is Maurice Griffiths, and he told me this tablet.
Yeah.
I forget the name of that medicine. What's the name of the medicine? Melatonin. So Maurice Griffiths is actually
It's
another
sleeping
guy.
pills.
It's not really a sleeping pill, but it's a natural remedy for sleeping. Did you know this?
No,
you can ask
never.
in our doctor actually, it's free.
Doctor.
If you're having trouble sleeping.
Okay.
But when you get home, you
Yeah.
have to adjust again your sleeping pattern.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks Griffith. What task now? Melatonin, yeah? Oh, this is on the other side. Okay, so next question. during offshore transport, this one do you like? Helicopter or boat?
For me, I like both.
You like both?
Yeah, because when I was in my home country, I was work for offshore platform. We are transferred by chopper every single rotation, you know.
Every single time.
Yeah. Actually, I'm so afraid to go by
There's a fear
chopper.
in flying in the sky, yeah?
Yeah.
Because we don't know what
But-
will happen. That is the risk, guys, when you're working with offshore industry, because majority of the mode of transportation sending the crew from the land going to the platform or to the ship is by way of helicopter or chopper. And but if there is a bulk of mobilization, like maybe 50, we use the crowboat. For me,
Yeah.
if you ask me, I like crowboat
Crowboat.
because I can bring more stuff on board. Chopper, there is although it's exciting to be. When I tell my friends back home, okay, they're making some topics about airplane, I'll just suddenly insert.
Yeah.
Have you tried chopper? Because it's really to have this kind of experience that we have here, that our mode of transportation is sometimes chopper or helicopter. But my problem with helicopter is we have a limited
Yeah.
capacity of
That's correct. Yeah.
baggage to carry on chopper. Actually, it was only 50 kg.
Yeah, something like that. 15 or 20.
Only there's a limited weight
Yeah.
baggage. Okay, so sweet or spicy?
I prepare sweet.
Prefer sweet.
Yeah.
Is it Indonesian naturally like spicy or?
No, mostly Indonesian people is like so much spicy.
No, right. Now, the thing that I noticed way back in Bukbang is that, of course, I like padang.
Yeah, Padang food.
Padang
Yeah,
is
Padang
Padang
food. Yeah.
And I noticed your kind of soy sauce there.
Soy sauce, yeah.
It's like a sticky one with the sweet.
Yeah, with the sweet.
That's why my friend asked me if I can. We have this local dishes back in the Philippines. It's called adobo. Have you heard it?
Yeah, I heard, but
And my colleague was asking me if I can make him an adobo. So yeah, I can do that. But during that time, I was having the trouble finding the soy sauce, the good soy sauce, because most of your soy sauce back in Indonesia are sweet.
yeah.
Not sour, just
Yeah,
sweet,
sure.
sticky. Okay. Now this is the one thing that I always remember when I was in Kupang.
Yeah.
The food,
Yeah.
especially the nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
But it's not only the nasi goreng that I always like in Kupang. It's there's a dish in Kupang. They call it ikan kuah asam.
Ikan kuah asam, yeah.
With soup,
Yeah.
spicy soup.
Yeah.
Actually, in that particular restaurant in Kupang, they are very famous and they are actually in the news.
Okay.
And I tried to negotiate with the owner if they can teach me, but it seems like this is a trade secret in Kupang. You can kuha some, you can check it out from Kupang. Regards to all the community in Kupang and Indonesia, I hope I can visit you back again there. The thing that I also like when I was there, it was a time when there was this fashion trend that going around, the batoaki.
Batuaki, yeah. Fashion trends, yeah.
It's still ongoing, this trend in
No more.
Now it's already subsided.
Yes.
But during at that time, they're all crazy about batoaki.
Yeah.
It's for the information of everyone, batoaki is like a stone, a natural semi-precious stones, and they polish it to make it sometimes a ring.
Right.
And people in Indonesia, also in Malaysia, and some of Thailand. And
Thailand.
during at that time, 2015, it was a craze.
Yeah, China's as well. China was.
Prices are rising up.
Rising up at the time.
People are buying crazy prices about this Batuaki. Okay. So next question. Your most memorable country visited?
Most memorable country I visited
We've
is.
been all over the world.
Yeah.
How many countries have you been? Norway.
Norway, Croatia, Netherlands, Cyprus. Yeah,
US?
Cyprus.
Have you been in US?
No, I never been there. Singapore,
Malaysia. No.
Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia.
I've been in Malaysia.
Yeah.
For quite a time. Is Malaysia and Indonesia, can you differentiate the two by just looking at them, or there's no difference at all?
Actually, we
Because in my perspective,
Mhm.
I can clearly identify if this guy is Indonesian or Malaysian.
Yeah, you're right.
But I don't know how about you, because you almost say you're almost speaking the same language.
Yeah, actually we are Malay. Where we came from Malay, but our language similar but not same. Yeah, but when they talk, we can understand and.
If the first time you met the guy and maybe having the same ethnicity, can you determine right away that he's a Malaysian or Indonesian, or don't?
No,
You cannot do
I
that.
cannot. When they speak each other, then I know.
So they have their own language.
Yes.
That,
Yes.
Is Indonesia still have plenty of dialects aside from Bahasa?
Yes, of course. We have 36 ethnic now in Indonesia. So mostly of the ethnic has their own language.
Okay, they have their own dialect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dialect.
So what is the major dialect in Indonesia?
Melayu.
Malayu. Is the Bahasa a translation for word or language, or is it the name of the language itself? Because I was confused with this. Is it the Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Malaysia, or is it Melayu?
Melayu.
This
Yeah,
is the
it's
correct.
Melayu.
Okay, so it's my last question. Is quite a little bit controversial. Plus, as the fact says that 30% of the seafarers around the world are Filipinos. This is the statistics.
Yeah.
So, but most of these are traditional seafarers. When we say traditional seafarers, those are the guys who are working in the navigation room and the engine room. They are the captain, the chief mate, the AD, and the engine room, the chief engineer, and the motorman, so on and so forth. So these are the traditional seafarers.
Yeah.
So, would you consider yourself, because you and I both know that we're not traditional
Yep, you're right. Yeah.
but we become a seafarer. So, would you consider yourself an accidental seaman? That is the question.
Actually, for me, I never.
You
never tell anyone that I work as a seafarer.
Oh, you really?
Yeah, because I work in a project, but at the offshore.
Okay, so you say offshore.
Yes, offshore.
Well,
Offshore work.
maybe there's a difference in the way we understand back in the Philippines, because when somebody asked me, okay, so what is your job? I said, I'm a seaman. Oh, you're a captain? This that. But remember that you also have in this seaman school, right?
Yes, we have seaman books.
So you're a seaman, but accidentally became a seaman.
Yeah.
Did you really have this thought in your mind when you were still young that someday you're gonna work on the ship?
Yes, when I was a student, I ever think about that.
You already have that thought of it, but you did not imagine that you were working.
Yeah. Never.
I think that's the wrap up of our today's interview. And Sir Jerry, thank you very much for accepting my invitation. It's a pleasure for me. It's an honor for me to have you in with my channel.
You're welcome, sir.
Right.
Sir Jim.
Okay, so that's it, guys. And Until the next time, see you soon, and bye-bye.
Bye.